Financial considerations for buying versus leasing a car for business in Canada. When it comes to buying or leasing a vehicle for business purposes in Canada, there are several financial considerations to keep in mind. These include upfront costs, monthly payments, tax implications, and asset depreciation. Upfront costs. One of the most significant differences between buying and leasing a vehicle is the upfront costs. When buying a car, the buyer is typically required to make a down payment, which can be a substantial amount of money. In contrast, leasing a vehicle usually requires a smaller upfront payment, which can be beneficial for businesses that need to conserve cash flow. Monthly payments. Another financial consideration to keep in mind is the monthly payments. When a business buys a car, they are responsible for paying the full purchase price of the vehicle, plus interest and other fees over the life of the loan. In contrast, when a business leases a vehicle, they are only responsible for paying the monthly lease payments, which are typically lower than loan payments. Tax implications. Tax implications are another important consideration when deciding whether to buy or lease a vehicle for business purposes. When a business buys a car, they can deduct the depreciation of the vehicle over several years. In contrast, when a business leases a vehicle, they can deduct the full cost of the lease payments as an expense. It is important to consult with a tax professional to determine which option is best for your business. Asset depreciation. Asset depreciation is another financial consideration when deciding whether to buy or lease a vehicle for business purposes. When a business buys a car, the value of the vehicle will depreciate over time, which can result in a loss if the car is sold. In contrast, when a business leases a vehicle, they do not have to worry about asset depreciation, as they are simply returning the car at the end of the lease term. We are here to help. Visit us at theaccountingandtax.com or call 416-283-8774 if you have any questions.